Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today we are going to make झटपट Frankie. In a bowl, add dahi or curd, add salt over it, 1.5 spoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, some coriander powder, one spoon of garam masala powder. This is homemade mixed masala. Now mix all these ingredients properly. Turn this mixture into a smooth batter or a paste. Make sure there are no lumps in this batter. This is how the batter should look like. Turn on the gas flame, place kadhai over it and add oil to it. Once you think that oil is well heated, add jeera or cumin seeds. Whoa, don't worry, it was just a ginger garlic paste. Mix it well, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the kadai. Now add finely chopped onions. Make sure to save some for later. Saute until it turns golden brown in color. That's the exactly color what we are looking for. Now add the mixture that we made previously. Mix well till the oil oozes out of this mixture. Saute well until the gravy thickens a little bit. Now turn off the gas flame. For this recipe, I made these chapatis freshly. You can even use leftover chapatis if you have it. On the gas, place tawa. Grease some oil with the help of the brush. Place the chapati over it. Make sure to heat it from both the sides. Spread our mixture properly all over the chapati. Now add raw onions that we saved earlier over it. Make a perfect roll out of this. Be careful as they are very hot. Similarly, we will make other Frankie rolls too. Let them heat for a minute. And our झटपट Frankie is ready. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.